Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping both fabric and materials so the paint bonds properly. Once you pick a natural fiber garment, pre-wash and fully dry it to remove sizing. This prevents cracking later. Make sure to iron flat and secure edges with masking tape or a board underneath. Mix poster color with textile medium in a 2:1 paint to medium ratio to increase flexibility and wash fastness. Use a limited palette and test a small swatch. This saves time and avoids surprises when you paint the main design. You now move into execution, transferring and painting the design. First, trace a light guideline with a washable marker so you can follow shape and scale. Then apply the poster color in thin, even layers. Thin coats dry more flexible and prevent stiffness. Once done, let each layer dry fully before adding another to build opacity. For soft blends, work wet on wet. For sharp edges and details, wait and layer. Make sure to protect reverse side with cardboard to stop bleed through. You finish by curing and protecting your work so it lasts through wear and wash. Air dry the painted garment for 24 hours, then heat set using an iron on medium for 3 to 5 minutes with a pressing cloth, or run through a hot dryer cycle. Make sure to wash gently, hand wash cold, turn inside out, and avoid bleach. If you notice flaking or stiffness, rework the area with more textile medium mixed into the poster color and reheat set. This fixes adhesion while preserving the color.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.